8 reps each exercise, and you're going to complete 3 full reps. The first exercise is a dumbbell goblet squat. So you're going to pick up the dumbbell, holding it nice and high, hands at the side, right under the chin, plant the feet a wee bit wider and shoulder width apart, sit back on the heels, keeping the chest high. Keep shooting the knees out the lower you come. You're going to complete 8 reps of these in total. Remember, sit back on the heels. Show you this with the other side as well. Chest nice and high, coming down. Everyone's going to have a different range of motion when it comes to your squat, but just try and get as low as you can whilst keeping the chest high. First exercise, 8 reps. Exercise number 2 is going to be your one-arm dumbbell snatch. So gripping the dumbbell with it pointing towards the floor, feet a wee bit wider and shoulder width apart, touching the floor, pop the hips here, bringing bicep in line with the ear. Keep the core switched on the whole time, taking it down. You're going to do 8 of those each side in total. Make sure you use that momentum. Pop the hips at the top, bicep in line with the ear. Other side as well, chest high, pop the hips. Do this side on as well. I think 8 of those each side. Exercise number 3 is going to be an overhead reverse lunge. So you're going to be picking up the dumbbell, taking in that position over at the top of the snatch movement, so bicep in line with the ear, core switched on, and you're lunging back right here. Just before the knee hits the floor, powering back up with this. So we're going to do 8 of those one side, and then switching sides. Show you what it looks like on the other side. Bicep in line with the ear, lunging back this way. Take a combination, you can put an arm on the side as well. If you're not comfortable with that movement or you get any shoulder pain, you'll be holding the dumbbell in front of you, nice and high, lunging back right here. 8 reps of those each leg in total. Exercise number 4 is going to be on one-arm renegade row. So planting one hand on the floor, coming wide with the feet at the back, bring your hands to be shoulder width apart here, keep the core switched on, hips low. Driving the elbow here. So slow and controlled with these reps. Let the weight come down on the floor each time. 8 reps on one side, and you're rolling over. Core switched on the whole time. Driving the elbow here. 8 reps on that side as well. If you're not comfortable with that movement as well, you can always do this on your knees. You just be in this position, driving the elbow. Squeeze the shoulder. Exercise number 5 is going to be a one-arm kneeling shoulder press. So coming down onto your mat or any soft surface, you're going to be here. One arm's out really straight, keep the core switched on, pressing in the way at the top slightly. Head tilts forward slightly, keep the core switched on with this. You can do 8 of these one side, and then you'll switch sides. So take your time with this. A challenging exercise. Keep tension in this opposite arm. Pressing up the way, controlling on the way down. Perfect. So your final exercise in this workout is going to be plank drags. So you're going to come into a top plank position here. Dumbbell should be out of reach here, and you're coming inside with the arm, dragging it under the body. Keep the core switched on the whole time, tensing up the tummy. Dragging this across, so you're going to get 8 each side on these, so 16 in total. Show you this one, what it'll look like from the other side. Top plank position here, core switched on, dragging it out of reach, reaching in the way with that. 8 of those each side. So a nice and simple at-home dumbbell workout. All you need is one dumbbell, 6 exercises. You're going to repeat that for 3 rounds. There's no time limit on this workout. Just want you to perform the exercises controlled and with perfect form. Thanks guys.